3 high-protein vegan breakfast dishes. Hello there! Welcome to our video in which we create 3 delicious and nutritious vegan recipes to get your day started right. We have prepared these high-protein vegan breakfast dishes just for you. If you want to power your morning with plant-based energy, then you have come to the right place. Before we begin, please make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Let's get started. Protein powder overnight oats. One of our 3 high-protein vegan is the overnight oats with protein powder, which make an excellent breakfast. This recipe contains more than 30 grams of protein per serving. As a result, you will be well on your way to accomplishing your macro objectives. Protein powder overnight oats are extremely versatile, excellent for meal preparation, and extremely filling. Here are additional reasons why this must be included on your vegan breakfast list. It is easy and convenient. Overnight oats with protein powder are an excellent way to begin the day, especially if you enjoy working out in the morning. It is also ideal for meal preparation or pre-planning. Make it the night before so it's ready to go in the morning. You could also try overnight oats with Bircher muesli. Next reason is that it has protein powder. Protein powder oats are an excellent way to increase your protein intake. You are free to use any protein powder you want, but make sure the protein powder is vegan. Lastly, protein powder overnight oats is adjustable. Use whatever flavor of protein powder you love. We recommend vanilla or chocolate flavors. However, use whatever non-dairy milk is your favorite and add toppings to pack some extra vitamins or protein like fresh fruit and peanut butter. We like to serve a vanilla protein overnight oats with strawberries, peanut butter, and vegan salted caramel yogurt. For chocolate protein powder overnight oats, a great combination is banana, cacao nibs, and vanilla or plain vegan yogurt. Next on our list is carrot cake porridge. Carrot cake porridge or oatmeal tastes like dessert for breakfast, but it is also nutritious. With grated carrot and apple, cinnamon, and nutmeg, a bowl of oats is transformed into a delicious, hearty, and comforting breakfast. This porridge is best served hot as opposed to chilled overnight oats. Let us now dig deeper why this is part of our list. It is cake for breakfast. This recipe is a twist on the traditional porridge or weekday breakfast. The spiced porridge and fruits add a luxurious touch while remaining healthy. Carrots are high in vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants. Apples are also high in vitamin C and fiber. Try this peanut butter and strawberry baked oats recipe if you like dessert-like breakfast. Aside from this, it is also a basic porridge with extras. When making porridge, start with a 2:1 ratio of plant milk to oats. It is just the right amount of liquid to cook the oats without making them too thick, resulting in a really creamy porridge. So, that is what we have done here. It is a fairly foolproof method for making a great bowl of porridge, and it works just as well when making carrot cake porridge. Then, to take this breakfast to the next level, we add some extra ingredients to the foundation. Lastly, carrot cake porridge is healthy. We are all aware of the importance of eating a variety of fruits and vegetables. So, starting the day with carrot, apples, and raisins isn't a bad idea. Walnuts are also a good source of good fats and a plant-based source of omega-3. Then, there are oats, which are high in fiber as well as other vitamins and minerals. Last but not the least, on our list, we have vegan baked oats. Eating vegan baked oats for breakfast is like eating cake for breakfast, which we don't think is a bad thing. Of course, it is much healthier than cake, and our version elevates with strawberries and peanut butter. One reason why this is included is because it has a few simple ingredients. There are only 8 ingredients in this vegan baked oats recipe, 2 of which are optional. Furthermore, the method is straightforward. Simply combine a few ingredients, arrange them on a baking tray, and bake. Another quick breakfast option is these vegan savory pancakes. Another thing, vegan baked oats is adjustable. This recipe calls for almond milk, maple syrup, strawberries, and peanut butter. But you can substitute your favorite ingredients. If you don't like maple syrup, use your own vegan honey instead. Strawberries can also be substituted with any other fruit of your choice. Are you a fan of peanut butter? You could substitute another nut butter or even a vegan chocolate spread. It is, after all, your vegan baked oats. Last reason why vegan baked oats is that it is alternative to porridge. The carrot cake porridge is nice, but it is also important to switch things every now and then. Baked oats are a great way to play around with traditional breakfast ingredients. While we are on the subject, another of our favorite porridge alternatives is vegan kanji, which is savory and made with rice instead of oats. All these 3 dishes are here to help us achieve the protein vegan breakfast we need. Eating high protein vegan breakfast allows one to have satisfaction, weight management, blood sugar control, muscle recovery maintenance, cognitive function, and great nutrient balance. It is worth noting that high-protein breakfast offer these advantages, along with the benefits of a balanced diet that includes variety of nutrients essential for overall health well-being. Thank you for joining us today to learn about high-protein vegan breakfast options. We hope you found some motivation to start your day with plant-based goodness. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know which recipe you are most excited to try in the comment section below. Remember that a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a productive day, so why not make it both nutritious and tasty? Subscribe to our channel for more, and don't forget to set that notification to never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next one.